Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the BRD Bitcoin Wallet app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. BRD is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet designed to help users securely buy, store, and manage Bitcoin and several other digital assets. Known for its simplicity and strong security architecture, BRD was one of the earliest user-friendly crypto wallets available for iOS and Android. The app uses industry-standard encryption, meaning only the user has access to their private keys. BRD also supports in-app crypto purchases through third-party providers, portfolio tracking, and seamless transfers. The app's main feature is its simple, beginner-friendly interface. Users can quickly create a secure wallet, send and receive Bitcoin, and back up their wallet using a 12-word recovery phrase. It also integrates with the BRD Rewards program in supported regions, offering benefits for using certain in-app services. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean design, easy setup, and strong emphasis on privacy. BRD's decentralized model, where users control their own funds, is a major advantage for those who value security and independence from custodial platforms. Transactions are generally smooth, and the app provides clear, understandable prompts for beginners. However, there are some drawbacks. BRD no longer receives updates after being acquired by Coinbase, and some services have been phased out or migrated to the Coinbase wallet ecosystem. Depending on the region, users may experience limited features, especially regarding in-app buying options. Additionally, managing your own private keys requires responsibility. Losing the recovery phrase means losing access to your funds permanently. In summary, the BRD app may be worth using if you want a simple, secure, self-custodial Bitcoin wallet with a strong privacy focus. However, if you prefer an actively updated wallet or want advanced trading features, a more modern alternative like Coinbase Wallet or other multi-asset wallets may suit you better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.